As the war in Vietnam progresses through 1966 and into 67, the Viet Cong developed new tactics to gain material advantages of the United States. The American use of the helicopter allowed U.S. units to patrol vast areas of countryside and respond quickly to enemy activity. In turn, VC units mount sudden attacks and ambushes on vulnerable American units, then disappear into the jungle when help is on the way. Bases along the Ho Chi Minh Trail in neighboring Laos and Cambodia allow the Viet Cong to retreat into the face of superior forces where the Americans are forbidden to follow. American forces operate closely alongside the Republican Army of Vietnam to locate and destroy Viet Cong bases and supply cash to wrest control of the countryside. American service advisors and aides Avron troops, especially in the hotly contested areas north of Saigon known as War Zone C and the Iron Triangle. A series of operations with names like Attleboro and Cedar Falls amounts sweep this area clean of guerrilla activity. The difficulty of this task is compounded by the ingenious tunnel systems that crisscross the area. Dug by Viet Cong and local conscripts and well camouflaged, these underground structures range from simple spider holes in subterranean caches to elaborate bases with their own hospitals, ammunition factories, and printing presses. Deep enough to be invulnerable to all but the largest American bombs. The tunnels allow the guerrillas to find safety in concealment until the Americans pass, and then re-emerge with their insurance capabilities intact.
Attrition warfare is a military strategy in which an aggressive side attempts to win a war by wearing down its enemies to the point of collapse through continuous losses in personnel and material. During the Vietnam War between 1962 and 1971, the United States military sprayed nearly 20 million gallons of material containing chemicals mixed with jet fuel in Vietnam. The program's goal was to defoliate forested and rural land, depriving guerrillas of cover. Another goal was to induce forced draft urbanization, destroying the ability of peasants to support themselves in the countryside and forcing them to flee the U.S.-dominated cities, thus depriving the guerrillas of their rural support base and food supply. Another U.S. tactic was napalm, which is a jellied gasoline that was used in bombs. When the bomb hits land, it breaks open, dispersing the napalm over 200 yards, creating an instant inferno.
So I'm